Hey guys, today's episode starts with a situation that proves just how unpredictable the road can be. Sometimes no matter how prepared you are, things just don't go as planned. So take a look and as always, ride safe.
Bro, he flipped, bro, look.
Oh my god.
Check the collarbone.
I see.
Lovely bite and all.
Yeah.
But he'll laugh.
Ew. Oh, okay. Oh, Steve! You did save the bike. Let's get you off. How do we get this off? This way? SOS! Hey, that's it!
You got balls of steel. I know.
Oh, hell no! Move! Huh?
The biker admitted that the upcoming corner scared him so much that he panicked and reacted completely the wrong way.
Look at that R1, dude. That shit's about to hit the floor. Or the tire. Look at that. The R1. Holy dude. I just avoided the out of that, yeah. Bro. Man. His brakes locked up. Let's go!
Hey, I got that stand up, Willie, though.
Get that boy right before.
No puede ser, boludo. No. Te cruzaste muy mal, muy mal se cruzaron. ¿Está bien, papá?
This is one of those situations where the rider was almost completely helpless with absolutely no way to react.
You okay? You okay? Mickey, you good? Mickey.
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure, buddy?
Yeah. We gotta check on Edgar.
Did he go down?
Yeah, he went down first.
Did he really?
Yeah.
On one hand, the rider was carrying some serious speed, but on the other hand, the driver picked some absolutely worst possible place to pull a U-turn.
Everybody come along for the ride. All you studs and your duds and your ladies is fly.
In this situation, the driver made a last-second lane change to avoid missing his exit, pulling out directly in front of the oncoming rider.
אתה איתנו? כן? איך קוראים לך? לא, לא. אל תזוז, אל תזוז. איזה מטומטם הוא, איזה מטומטם. זה לא משנה, עכשיו זה לא יעזור. זה לא משנה. אל תוריד, אל...
What are you doing? Bicho! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh.